Okay, this is a video about using the baggy bottom technique. Basically, it's sewing two pieces together that don't really want to fit together. The sewing machine I'm using is a Juki 2010Q. It is an ordinary sewing machine. It does not have a dual feed. Okay, so I've cut two pieces of fabric. The red piece is 7 inches long and 1.5 inches wide, and the blue piece is 7.25 long and 1.5 inches wide. So we're going to start off by pinning the two together. So I've got some extra fine pins which seem to work really well with this sort of technique. So I'm going to pin it either end as you would a normal piece of patchwork. And already you can see the excess is there. So you want to pin either end and then on a sort of halfway sort of house. Okay, and then again sort of even it out a bit. So in here, and then somewhere in the middle of here. And then I put a few more in because you're not going to over pin it. So here. You can sort of feel where it's not going to sit particularly well. Okay. Perhaps in there as well. No, I think we're okay. Okay, now I'm going to put it under the machine, and the baggy side, which is the blue side, I'm going to put at the bottom, and the red side is going to go on the top. I'm going to sew it with just a 1/4 inch seam and just an ordinary 50 weight Aurifil thread. Straight stitch. I'm going to leave the pins in because they're so fine. They're not likely to cause me a problem. Okay, so just take it out. There is your seam. So as you can see, what has happened is the little feed dogs here have taken up the extra slack on that blue piece to make it fit the red piece. So if you put all of your patchwork through the machine with the baggiest edge down, you will end up with a perfect piece of patchwork.